Hey everyone, welcome to the Digital Sunflower YouTube channel. I'm Jack Flynn, and today I'm going to show you how to create an effective email campaign that will boost your sales and engagement. Email marketing is a powerful tool for reaching your audience directly in their inbox. And when done right, it can yield a high return on investment. In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know to get started. Oh, and stick around for the end for a pro tip that will make your emails stand out. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly talk about why email campaigns are so important. Email marketing allows you to reach your audience directly and build a personal connection. Compared to other marketing channels, it offers one of the highest returns on investment. Plus, email is a great way to build relationships and trust with your customers. And this keeps them engaged. All right, step one, define your goals. First, identify what you want to achieve in your email campaign. Are you aiming to drive sales, increase website traffic, maybe nurture leads and build those relationships? Having clear goals helps you create a focused and effective campaign. It's the foundation of your strategy. Step two, know your audience. This is where you segment your email list to tailor your messages to different audience groups. Understanding your audience's needs and preferences is key to crafting relevant content. You might have different segments based on purchase history, engagement, demographics. These all can help tailor your messages to make them more relevant and engaging. Step three, craft compelling subject lines. Your subject line is the first thing recipients see, so make it attention-grabbing. Keep it short, personalized, and create a sense of urgency if you can. A great subject line can make the difference between your email being opened or ignored. It's your first chance to make an impression, so make it count. Step four, write engaging content. The body of your email should be clear, concise, and value-driven. Use a conversational tone and include a strong call to action. You need to focus on what's in it for the reader. Provide valuable information or offers and guide them towards taking an action with a compelling call to action. Step five, design and layout. A clean, visually appealing design enhances readability. By using images and bullet points and white spaces effectively, you can guide your readers. Your design should support your message, making it easy to read and visually engaging. Keep it simple and aligned with your brand though. Step six, test and optimize. Before sending, test your email on different devices and email clients. Use A/B testing to find out what works best and continually optimize. You can use analytics to make decisions that will increase your performance. Testing helps refine your approach and improve your performance. It's an ongoing process that ensures your emails are effective across all platforms and makes the readers want to actually take an action. All right, here's the pro tip. Personalization goes beyond using just the recipient's name. You can use dynamic content to tailor the email based on user behavior, such as past purchases or browsing history. This level of personalization makes your emails more relevant and increases your engagement. Your audience will appreciate the tailored experience. And there you have it. Follow these steps to create an effective email campaign that will engage your audience and drive results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Comment below if you have any other questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to visit our Digital Sunflower website. We have a ton of insights and services to help your business grow. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.